Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to mount file partition in Linux distro. First, let me give an introduction. Mount is to access the file system in Linux. You can mount a file system on any directories and access content by entering the directory in Linux terms. These directories are called mount points. This tutorial will help you to mount and unmount file system in Linux system. Now first we will see mount command. Mostly each Linux operating system provides mount command. This command is used to mounting any file system on any directories. After that you can access the file system content. Now we will see the syntax. Guys, this is the syntax for mount command. This is the file system type and this is the file system. Okay. Now we will, for example, you have added a disk like dev/sr0 on your system. Now you want to mount this on /database or /mnt directly. For this, use the following command, just like a mount then the dev/sr0/mnt. Enter. Now the file system is mounted. Now we will see /mnt. Now you can see the content in this directory. pwd, look, you are in the /mnt. Mount command automatically detects the file system on disk, but in some case you need to specify the file system type with command mount -t ext4. This is the file system type /sr0 /dev/sr0, then path of the mount database. Look, saying what is saying, this already mounted dev/sr0 is already mounted, or database it is busy. So now we will see how to umount the file system. Use umount command to umount only mounted file system on your system. Run umount command with disk name or mount point name to umount currently mounted disk. Just like now I will go to the slash. Okay. Now we will see slash here. /dev/sr0 is mounted on the /mnt. So we will use the umount command, umount /mnt. Now again you will see mnt is not, it will be not there. Look, here mnt is there, and after you mount mnt is not there. Okay, now we will see how to mount file system permanently. Okay, mount disk on system boot. You also require to mount disk on system boot so that partition will be available on system boot. /etc/fs tab file is used to mount disk. You need to edit /etc/fs tab and make new entry to mount partition automatically. Edit /etc/fs tab and append below line at the end of the file. So now we will /etc/fs tab. Okay, now we will edit /etc/fs tab and we will put the entry /dev/sr0, and I have to mount /mnt directory. Okay, now I will save this file and now we will restart our system. Guys, if you like this video, please subscribe our channel to watch more videos. Okay, now system is restarted. Now we will see. BR51K. Look guys here, /mnt /dev/sr0 is mounted in the mnt file. So now we will see /mnt. You can see the content of the file. Okay guys, this is all for today's. If you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe our channel to watch more videos. Thank you guys.